All right, buckle up. If you've ever wanted to create a digital product, like an ebook or a guide, but you got stuck on the writing or, even worse, the design, I am going to show you a workflow right now that is going to blow your mind. We are going to go from a blank screen to a fully designed sellable PDF in about 10 minutes using ChatGPT and Claude AI. We are starting in ChatGPT. Now, most people just say, "Write me a book." Do not do that. You get garbage. I'm using a super prompt. Look at this structure. I'm telling ChatGPT to act as a senior digital researcher and content strategist. I want it to have a specific persona. I'm telling it that we need a high-value digital product. Here is where we get specific. I'm deleting this placeholder and we are going to go with making money on Pinterest. It's a great niche, lots of demand. I'm also telling it to prioritize current trends from the last 12 to 24 months. This ensures we don't get outdated advice from 2018. I want data-backed insights and expert consensus. Okay, let's run it. Look at how it tackles this. It's not just writing paragraphs, it's building a strategy. It gives us a target audience definition, it outlines the core problem we are solving, and it sets up a logical chapter flow. The Pinterest Money Map. I actually really like that title. It's catchy. It's giving us the big promise of the book. This is crucial for your sales page later. It's breaking down the chapters. The Pinterest algorithm, content that converts, the pin portfolio. This is really solid structure. Now, we need to expand this. Prompt 1 was just the strategy. Prompt 2 is the step-by-step system builder. I'm pasting this in. This prompt tells ChatGPT, "Okay, you're an expert researcher. Now I need you to create a 20-page ebook ready digital product." I'm reiterating the topic, making money on Pinterest. Watch what happens here. It's taking that high-level strategy and crunching it down into a page-by-page outline. It's doing the research phase, the content strategy phase, and the book structure. It's deciding that page 1 needs to be the money map. Page 2 needs to be the ways people make money. It is literally acting like a project manager for us. It's removing the fluff and prioritizing high-impact info. That is exactly what we want. We want clarity, not just word count. Okay, we have the skeleton. Now we need the meat. This is prompt 3, product positioning and content generation. This is the big one. I'm telling it to write the actual content for the pages. But, and this is the secret sauce, I am also asking it to generate image prompts for every other page. I'm telling it, for every other page, generate a high-quality AI image prompt that visually reinforces the content. Let's go. Look at this output. Page 1, the Pinterest Money Map. It's writing the body copy, the headlines, and look at the bottom of the section. There is the AI image prompt. A modern cinematic scene of a minimalist workflow setup. It's describing the image we need so that we don't have to think about it later. It's moving through the pages. Page 2, affiliate marketing. Page 3, the Pinterest advantage. Okay, I'm going to stop it here at 10 pages just so we aren't sitting here watching text generate for 20 minutes. But you can see, you could easily let this run for 50 or 100 pages. It's wrapping up the generation. It's giving us page 11, which is selling your own digital product. Perfect. Here is a clean premium stopping point. Now, here is the pivot. ChatGPT is great at writing, but it cannot design a PDF to save its life. For that, we need a coder. We need Claude. I am highlighting everything. The outlines, the text, the image prompts, the headers, all of it. Copy that. We are over in Claude AI now. I'm pasting that massive wall of text into the chat box. Now, pay attention to this prompt I'm typing. This is critical. I'm saying, take the attached ebook pages/outline, which includes some AI image prompts, and turn it into a vibrant, modern, engaging ebook. I'm telling it to make it fancy and clean and easy to look at. Crucially, I am telling it, also create the AI images on the correct pages. Claude can actually generate images now, or use a tool to do it. And finally, Provide an easy way to download this as a PDF. I'm signing it. The author of this ebook is David Mills. That's me. Gotta get the credit, right? Now Claude is thinking. It says, I'll create a professional, vibrant ebook. It's reading the PDF creation skill. What it's doing right now is really cool. It's not just using a drag-and-drop editor. It is writing Python code. It is using a library, likely ReportLab, to programmatically draw the PDF. It's defining the colors. It's defining the font sizes. It's taking those image prompts we got from ChatGPT, and it's generating the assets to place into the document. It's building the professional ebook. It's generating the images. If you look at this code here, you can see it defining primary red, secondary gray, accent gold. It's literally painting the book with code. It's setting up the money map logic. Okay, it says success. It has created Pinterest_money_map_2026.pdf. Let's click that. Moment of truth. Boom! Look at that cover. The Pinterest money map. What works in 2026? It has my name on it. It has a cool, abstract, modern design. This looks like something you'd pay $20 or $30 for on Gumroad. Let's scroll down. We've got a Turn Pinterest into a Repeatable Income Engine button. That's a nice touch, even if it's just graphic. We have our table of contents, affiliate marketing, digital products, email funnels. Look at the layout here. It's not just a wall of text. It has used the gold accent color to create these nice call-out boxes for key insights. It's put the compounding pin portfolio into a structured list. This is very readable. Pick a profitable micro-niche. Good clear headers. It's generated a checklist here. Evergreen demand, visual potential. Pinterest SEO. Look at that graphic. That is the AI-generated image based on the prompt ChatGPT wrote. It's a clean, cinematic visualization of a search ecosystem. It fits the vibe perfectly. Wait a second. Stop the scroll. We have a problem. Look at this page right here. We have a bright yellow background and white text? Or maybe it's very light gray text. I can barely read that. Set up your minimum stack. Yeah, that is a design fail. If you sell this, people are going to ask for a refund. It's hurting my eyes just looking at it. And I think I saw it earlier too. Let me scroll back up. Yep. Right here on the intro page. Turn Pinterest into a repeatable income engine. It's white text on a gold background. Terrible contrast. Now, normally, you'd have to open this in InDesign or Canva and manually change all these text boxes. It's annoying, but we have Claude. I'm going right back into the chat. I'm not starting over. I'm just going to give it feedback like I would a graphic designer sitting next to me. I'm typing, on page 1 and page 12, any text that is on a yellow background, make it black. That's it. I don't need to know the hex code. I don't need to know the page number in the code. I just tell it what I see. Claude reads the instruction. It says, view the create_ebook.py file. It's analyzing its own code. It's finding where it defined that specific text color variable for those specific background boxes. See? It found it. I see, I used a gold-colored callout box. The title color is white. Let me change that to black. It's rewriting the script. This is the power of iterative design with AI. You don't have to get it perfect on the first shot because fixing it takes 30 seconds. It's regenerating the PDF now. It has to rebuild the whole file to apply the changes. It says, generating the Pinterest money map ebook PDF. The PDF was created. All right, let's see if it listened to us. Okay, cover page looks the same. There we go. Look at that. Turn Pinterest into a repeatable income engine. It is now black text on the gold button. Pop. It stands out. Perfectly readable. Let's double check that other page. Page 12, was it? Passing the SEO section. Passing the board rules. And there it is. Set up your minimum stack. Black text on the yellow background. This is now a polished, professional digital product. So let's recap. In about 10 minutes, We used ChatGPT to research a topic, structure a book, and write the content. We used Claude to write the code, design the layout, generate the images, and publish the PDF. And when we found a mistake, we used natural language to fix it in seconds. You have no excuses anymore. Go build your product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.